Oh my God. There it is. There it is. Check that out. Oh my God. What's going on, guys? Your boy TrollsAlmighty here, and today we got something very special for you guys, something different. Thought I'd mix it up from the regular video. In the last video, we did a Walmart challenge. So today, we're gonna be doing an OLLIE'S challenge. If you guys aren't familiar with OLLIE'S, it's like a local store in Southwest Virginia. You can get some in Tennessee as well. The actual name of the store is OLLIE'S Bargain Outlet. Good stuff, cheap! And that's exactly what we got today. So I've got all the lures that we use in today's video right here. We start out with the Lucky Strike Glidebait. I don't actually know the name of the lure itself, but it is a Glidebait by Lucky Strike, coming in at a solid $7, which isn't much for a Glidebait, let's be honest. To put it into perspective, the River to Sea S-Waver 168 is actually $16, so it's about half the price. Actually, it's a little bit less than half price, so that's a good deal. Next on the lineup is the Z-Man Original Chatterbait. You guys are probably familiar with this. If you've been fishing for any time, then you know of the original Z-Man Chatterbait. And at OLLIE'S, it was exactly $3, so what a steal. Next up on the list is a lure that I haven't been able to find anywhere, and spoilers, I actually lose it in this video, but that's the Strike Pro Rack Poppers. And I got those for $3.99, but we're gonna round it up and say $4. And we actually ended on the Savage Gear Duck, which is what you guys saw a little bit of the preview in the intro. A Savage Gear Duck topwater that mimics like a frog. It's a hollow body duckling, weedless, really nice lure. I actually liked it a lot. And that was $4. So in total, we were able to fish today, at least for today's video, in under $20. 4 different lures in the lineup, and trust me boys, we get it done. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get to the fishing. All right guys, we're on Lake Bonnie, and today I'm starting out with the Lucky Craft Glidebait. I'm not really sure what the name of it is, if I'm gonna be 100% honest, but I'll have it linked on the screen or something. I'll figure something out. Oh my God, this water clarity is awesome though. This is about perfect, man. That spinnerbait should slay him, really. Oh, come on, that's not even hung well. Take your time, make as many casts you need. I don't want to go over those fish and spook them. That looks too good, man. This is always how it starts at Bonnie for me, I'm not even gonna lie. That's how it was the last time I was here. I mean, this thing was only $6. I was kind of hoping I could catch a tank on it today. Chris, do you care if I mention it's your birthday? It is Chris's birthday today, and we're trying to get him a birthday bass on Bonnie today. This place is notorious for giants. However, finding those giants is a different story. Oh my God, I don't know if that picked up. Did you hear my stomach just then? Oh God, dude, that was loud. I guarantee that picked up on the GoPro. Really? What's it at right now? 56? Yeah. Dang, I was gonna say, if it's over 55, I'm bringing out that topwater. Man, it's only 56 though. I was wondering why it wasn't casting so far, man. I thought you had your magnetics turned up or something. Okay, I gotta keep that off that log. Bob Circuit. That's a good cast too, man. Hey, it'll come off as long as we keep moving around that way though. Dang, this is all I'm gonna catch today. Oh, sweet. Yeah, how shallow is it right there?
Up there?
Mm-hmm.
Foot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yikes. Man, that's where I think a toe would be though. That's where I should be throwing that topwater, really. What the heck?
Oh.
What the heck, dude?
You got one. Something came up and swapped at it.
I think it did. That was cool.
I seen a bull.
Did you still have it? Or is it down in that tree now? It's on the top, isn't it? Is that not it right there? Something happened.
You got one.
Do I have a fish?
Yeah, you got one.
No way.
You see it?
No way. Yes, please do.
I was going to try to reach down there.
I don't know where it would be though, is the only thing. Yeah. Oh, he snagged, dude.
He came up and swapped.
Oh my God. I think he's off now though. I think he just got off.
No, he's still on there. Hold on, I'm ready.
Oh my God, what the heck? Are you kidding me? Dude, that's a tank.
It's so shallow right here.
Yes, it is. I don't want you to break your trolling mud or anything. Holy crap. No way.
I don't know what we're gonna do, man.
I don't either, but I don't want him to die either. This is crazy. Well, the tension's there because it's definitely wrapped around that tree.
Let some line out.
Yeah, he's not getting off.
Come behind me so I got some room.
Yes, sir, for sure. There you go. I'll let you work up there. Oh my God. Oh no, that's solid, dude. I'll take it. Yes, sir. No way. Are you kidding me? What the heck, Chris? You need some pliers? Here we go. Are you kidding me? Check that out. What in the world is this fish? What were you thinking, buddy? Dang, man. That's so cool, though. Oh my God.
He came up and ate it off of...
Yeah, off the log, dude. I bet he thought it was struggling. What a pit. Look at his head. It's like a third of his body, man.
His head.
God, man. Do you care to take a picture of me with this thing? Well, we didn't get skunked, Chris.
He's probably 2.5.
He's a solid. He's a little pig, man. Yeah, he's long, but he's...
Tail, man.
Okay. Oh my God. What are you doing? I'm gonna read some back here, okay? God, I'm not gonna weigh this guy. That's a good way to start the day, you must say. All right, big guy. Oh, look at that. I love you. Thank you. That's so awesome. Sweet. Yeah, it was going, man. He was not happy. Sweet. Well, at least we didn't get skunked today, boys. Now I want a bigger one. That's better than anything for me because that's the first fish I've ever caught at Bonnie. Got this Z-Man chatterbait for $2. It's pretty good. And I've got a flip-flop on the back. It's one of Chase baits. I think this is the mud bug color. Oh, you took my spot, Chris. Even this is basically half price though. I'm guessing that's pretty shallow right through there too. Yeah, you can feel that water is cold, man. It's about 10 degrees warmer than the air temperature though. That was slick. I hope the GoPro got that. Catches fish, first cast. Man, that is really shallow. I'm dragging the bottom. So is this basically like your routine the whole time? You always come like right here and then work your way up that way? Yeah, if it's gonna be cold, they're not gonna be there. Summertime though. I'm bringing a fog right through here. Yeah, I got one. Man, he hit that as soon as it came in. I didn't even think I had one. Yeah, it's a little doink, but I'll take him. Come here, big guy. The chatter. I didn't even feel him take that. It was so subtle. He's actually a little bit bigger than I thought he was. Oi, 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 come here. Yeah, look at that, boys. Huh? Yeah, I figured it would be. That's the first fish I've ever caught on this, though. Dude, this Ollie's challenge is going great for me. Check that out. First fish on the good old flip-flop. And we'll take him. Not huge. Probably right under a pound. But we'll take him, boys. Sick. All right, big guy. Oh, yeah. There you go. Sweet. He was right next to that stump. It is. It's the brown. It matches this flip-flop perfectly, too. Like, even the accent in it just matches it. It's awesome. All right, boys, we're gonna try this sucker out. Strike Pro. Never even heard of this thing. But, like I said, I got all these from Ollie's, so. Oh yeah. This thing was $3. This thing is bigger than my Mega Bass popper. Looks just as good. Color's kind of crazy, but I like it. It will stand out in this water. All right, well, this is definitely the purchase of 2020 so far. Let's go ahead and tell you. Like I said, Strike Pro. Check out the mouth on that thing. This thing's awesome. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right here. Oh, listen to the sound too. I love it. Favorite popper already. That sound is awesome. Like how was that not a blow up already? That sounds so good. And they might come up out of that grass and nail that thing, dude. All right, guys, so we are at Oxbow today. And right now I have the Savage Gear duck tied on. We're gonna be trying to complete this Ollie's challenge because I lost both the poppers. So this is the last thing on the list that we have to do anyway. Figured Oxbow would be the perfect place to do this since the grass is so grown up. You can just sit here and work the cover. Oh yeah. It's also perfect for Oxbow because there have been a lot of ducks here recently. Spring is just ended, so the little ducklings ought to be all grown up. This is probably about the perfect size. Perfect profile for a bass to hit it. But you know how Oxbow is, so it could be a grind. Let's try this side too. I wanted to start here at the dam because there's just so much grass here. As you can see, there's a little bit of open water where I could cast it. But really, I'm gonna work it on the grass pretty much all day today. And that is everything that's over there. But right here, I can work it parallel to the bank, work it back to the spillway, and still work the grass the entire time. So let's see if we can get a little Mondo bass to come up and slam this. There's a topwater eat right here. I don't know if he was reacting to my line or what he was after. Or he's in the shade right there. I just now got it in the shade. That's where I get short-armed right here. I'm sure most of you guys are thinking, why are you throwing a duck? Bass won't hit a duck. Yeah, I can tell you from personal experience that they definitely don't eat birds, so.
No way! Take a look at this freaking beaut on the CHATTERBAIT Smuggler.
So this is how I'm gonna end today's video. I'm gonna leave everything in from cast to catch, so you guys can see how slowly you really have to work these frog presentations in the summer. Now this was filmed in the morning. I think it was actually about 8:30 when I caught this fish. But even then, at the coolest part of the day, you wanna make sure you're just barely bringing these things across the topwater. You can see I'm just slowly popping it. You basically wanna drag these things across the grass. It's the most subtle presentation. It's almost like finesse topwater. And that's really what you gotta do in summer. You really gotta slow it down. That's why worms are really good. And if you're gonna use frogs, make sure you use a very slow presentation. It's the best for summer. You'll get your best and biggest bites out of it. But that's basically it for the Ollie's challenge, guys. And if you enjoyed this episode of Teach a Man to Fish, then be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh my God. There it is. There it is.
Come here, buddy. Hey, that's not a bad bass. That's not a bad bass.
Oh my God. That is a freaking tank, man. Look at that bass. Woo.
I wasn't even paying attention. I just looked over. Somebody was walking by me on the path. Oh my God. Get all this grass off the line so we can get a good look at him.
Check that out. Oh my God. What a way to start the day for this Ollie's challenge, man.
That's a pretty good little fish. We'll get him away. I'd say he's probably
right under 4.
He's not very long.
Just look how stout that fish is, man.
What a nice fish to start the day. All right, let's get some pictures. We'll get away on him, and then we'll send him back.
Don't worry, big guy. We're definitely gonna put you back. Oh my God, I cannot believe that.
FaceTime Bootstrap Bill.
Making a FaceTime call to Bootstrap Bill.
Hey, man. Well, I'm down here doing one of my Ollie's challenges, and right now I'm fishing a duck on all this grass, and check out what it gave me.
Wow.
Bro, he's probably right under 4.
Awesome, man.
Check out that. Oh, look at this. It's even crazier.
Talks about it.
Yes, he tried to swallow that thing, dude.
That one of them suicide ducks?
No, it's one of the Savage Gear ones. It's like a frog, but I got it at Ollie's for like $3, so it's $3 for a 3-pounder, Bill. I must say, is a pretty good deal.
Looks more than that.
Yeah, well, I'm about to weigh him, so actually, you want to stick around and see what he weighs?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me put you down.
Let me take this lure out of his mouth. Check that out, boys. Absolutely choked it.
I'll tell you what, he surprised me too, man. Somebody was passing me on the walkway right here, and I turned to say hey to him, and he just destroyed it. Hey, bro. Oh my God, he might actually go 4, Bill.
Oh my God, that's a little unit, man.
Woo, Bill, baby. What are you doing? Come down here and fish with me. I just needed this fish to complete the Ollie's challenge, and I got him in like 10 minutes.
All right, let's get away on this bad girl.
That's about right where I thought he was.
3.7, Bill. Not a bad fish to start the day, though, I must say.
It's one of my better oxbow fish of the year. All right, boys. Well, give me 1 second, Bill. I'm gonna go release this guy, get a release video, and I'll come back and talk to you. But
boys, check that out. That's awesome. Look at that. What a just unit of a little fish right there. Nice little slab. All right, let's go ahead and release this guy. Thanks for coming up, buddy. I really do appreciate it. What a little unit. There you go. You ready, big guy? I think he's ready, boys. And there he goes. Oh my God, that was awesome. Woo! That's what we like to see.